Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can log out of all of the other devices of your Facebook account. So if your Facebook account is logged into other devices, you can simply log them out by this trick. So what you need to do is simply click on these three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Now, once you have clicked here, you can see this settings gear option on the top. Simply click on the settings gear option and it will lead you to the settings and privacy page. Now here you can see the first option which says Meta Account Center. Simply click on the Meta Account Center and then you can see this password and security tab under the account settings. Simply click on the password and security option and it will open a page, and here you can see under the security checks it says where you are logged in. Simply click on this where you are logged in option and choose the account. Then it will show you all of those devices where you are currently logged in. Here you can see that this is my mobile device and here I am logged in, and apart from that I am also logged in on a Windows PC. So if you want to remove this particular device, or you want to remove the account from this particular device because you don't recognize this or you don't want your logged in information into this device anymore, you may simply click on this select devices to log out option. Once you have clicked here, it will give you all of the list of the devices where your account are logged in. Simply click on that device that you want to remove and then click on this logout button right here, and it will give you a final warning asking that this will remove your logging on this particular device. To proceed, simply click on this logout button, and here you can see that you have been successfully logged out from other device as well. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.